Hi guys, I'm going to teach you on how to reformat the SD card inside the GoPro Hero 9. So swipe down, next is swipe left. So you found the preferences, so let's choose this one and then find the reset, this one, reset. So in the reset you can see format SD card, reset presets, reset camera tips. So since we're going to format the SD card, so let's choose this one. So let's show here, format SD card, delete all files and reformat your SD card. So let's choose format. So formatting now. And voila, it's clean. So back to the tab. Alright, that's it.